Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony brand Blu-ray player and when you try to play the disc, it's giving you on the display, it's giving you C colon 31 colon 00 and you're wondering what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So basically this error is just telling you that there was an error reading the disc. And so how do you need to get rid of this is you need to fix whatever's going on wrong with that disc. Most likely what you're going to need to do in order to get rid of this is just to take it out and just clean it off, wipe off the disc or something like that. The next thing you can do if wiping it off doesn't work is you can check and see if there are any scratches that you can actually see on the disc. If there are some scratches on the disc, you might need to do a scratch repair. And then finally, you might just need to use a different disc. If it's giving you it might be that disk is not just working right because it is a disk read error. So try it with a different disk and that should get rid of it, and then you might just need to replace whatever the Blu-ray disc you have is. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.